Ramses uncle, we are going to make special chicken dum biryani. First, we have to add mint, coriander, chili paste, and then now add ginger garlic paste into it, and turmeric and salt, chili powder, mint, coriander, green chilies, and now add biryani spices into it. Now add more fast cooking special garam masala and add some curd and some oil. Finally, squeeze the lemon and mix it well. Now marinate for about 30 minutes. For rice preparation, first take basmati rice and add water and wash it well, and add water till the top. And now add biryani spices into it. In this add mint, coriander, now add green chilies into it. Oil into it. Oil is an important ingredient as it makes the rice not sticky. Now squeeze the lemon and mix it well. After 30 minutes, shift it to the pressure cooker and wait for 5 whistles. Now our chicken is completely cooked. Now layer the rice. Finally add mint, coriander, cashew nuts and ghee and keep them for 15 minutes on low flame. Yummy chicken dum biryani is ready with mutton curry. I'll keep this video in the description. Thank you. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. Do watch all our videos. Bye. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it right now. Bye.